Morning students, welcome to Narayana live classes. Today we are discussing about assignment number 7, 9th class, work power energy. So first question is, a person pulls a block 2 meters along horizontal surface. So here along horizontal surface means, so for example, along horizontal surface. So it is horizontal surface 2 meters along horizontal surface and force is equal to, for example, it is a block. So here it is, force is 20 newtons. So in between force and displacement, we have that is equal to theta is equal to 0 degrees. So work done, W is equal to F S cos theta. So W is equal to F S cos 0. So W is equal to F into S cos 0 1. So there W is equal to, what is F? F is equal to 20 into displacement, that is equal to 2 meters. So W is equal to 40 joules. 40 joules. So first option. And next question. A force of F is equal to 10 newtons acting on a box 1 meter along horizontal surface. The force act at 30 degrees angle. So here it is, theta is equal is given 30 degrees and force is given, that is equal to 10 newtons. Okay, and box displacement is given 1 meter. Already we know that W is equal to F bar dot S bar. So W is equal to F S cos theta, F S cos theta. So W is equal to, what is F? F is equal to 10, displacement 1, that is equal to cos 30. So W is equal to 10 into 1 into cos 30, that is equal to root 3 by 2, to 1 to 5 za. So W is equal to 5 root 3 joules. Okay, second option is the correct option. Next one, third, fundamental SI unit of work. So fundamental SI unit, already we know that W is equal to Fs. For example, it is, I have to take maximum. So W is equal to Newton, okay, into meter. So 1 Newton meter is equal to 1 joule. So this is the fundamental SI unit of work done. Okay, this is the first option. And next, fourth question. 1 joule is equal to how many Newton meters? Already we discussed. W is equal to Fs. W is equal to Newton into meter. Already we know that joule is equal to Newton into meter. So 1 joule is equal to 1 Newton into meter. So first option is the correct option. And next, a person lifts a body from the ground to a height h by using minimum lifting force. Okay, so here it is, minimum lifting force means, for example, an horizontal plane, it is a mass m. So how to person pull minimum lifting force, for example it is F. Already we know that this is the gravitational force, so that is equal to mg. So here the angle, okay, is equal to 180. So W is equal to F S cos theta. Here it is, height is given, I think that is h, okay, from the ground. So minimum lifting force. So minimum means it is F is equal to, already we know that mg into h cos 180 minus 1. So that is equal to, W is equal to minus mgh, where it is minus indicates the minimum lifting force. So first option is the correct option. And next question, when a body is made to slide over a rough surface, for example, made to slide means, for example it is rough surface. So for example it is mass m made to slide. Already we know that the frictional force F, it is capital F, the force applied. So the work done by the frictional force. So here also the angle between that is equal to 180 degrees. So already we know that W is equal to small f s cos 180. So that is equal, W is equal to f s into minus 1. So W is equal to minus fs. This is negative. This is negative. The first option is the correct option. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.